Okay, here is an introduction to the coordinate plane. First thing to learn about the coordinate plane is we're all familiar with horizontal number lines. We have 0, positives to the right, negatives to the left. This is our x-axis. An x-axis is a horizontal number line. The second part of a coordinate plane is the y-axis. All you're doing is turning your number line vertical. So your positive numbers go up, negative numbers go down. And if we squish those together, we now have a coordinate plane, two perpendicular intersecting number lines. The x-axis from left to right, y-axis up and down. Here's another example of a coordinate plane with a grid behind it. This makes it really easy for us to see the number lines and how they connect together. And we have places where we could plot. We'll get to that in a minute. A cool thing about number lines, or about coordinate planes, is when they intersect, it creates 4 different sections. We call these quadrants. That word quad tells us 4 sections. And they each have a name so that we can find the section easily. An easy way for us to remember that is to draw a big C for coordinate plane. Where the C starts, that's the first quadrant. The next one is the second, third, and fourth quadrant. Now, using our coordinate plane, we're going to be plotting what you guys often call points. Another word would be coordinate, but the proper term is an ordered pair. This is the way that you name the point. This gives it its specific location, and it's x, comma, y in parentheses. That is actually our location of the point. And an easy way to remember this is that pretend that x has on his shoes. He's got some pretty cool kicks here, and so he is going to walk either left or right. And the y coordinate, he has his cool gloves on because it's cool here in Idaho, and he's going to either climb up or down on the coordinate plane. Okay, let's give this a shot. Let's graph an ordered pair. Here we've graphed an ordered pair, 2, 2, and we can't see that very well, so we're going to have to zoom in on this. So let's zoom in on this section here. Oh, good. Okay. So let's figure out how we found that 2, 2. All right, we're going to start out at 0, 0. This is our origin. 0, 0. We're going to always start at the origin. And x goes first. He's either going to go left or right. And 2 is positive, so he is going to walk to the left. 1, 2. And he is holding our plot here. So we're at 2 so far on the x-axis. Now the y comes in, the second number. The y is also a positive 2, so he is going to climb up. 1, 2, and he drops our point off there at 2, 2. Okay, now it's your turn. Name this ordered pair.